So I just got off work. I am about to go to the airport. I should probably start packing because I'm not packed yet. I have about an hour until I have to check in and be in my seat, of course, go through security and all that. So I kind of started laying things out, but I should probably put it in the suitcase, make sure it fits, because my goal is to just take a carry-on bag and like a book bag / purse. So I'm going to go do that, put everything in there, pray that it fits, because I don't feel like checking a bag, but we'll see. Winter clothes are hard to pack in just a carry-on for 4 days. So if you didn't know, I'm going to Atlanta for New Year's because I don't feel like being at home. And it is what it is. Anyway, see you guys soon. I was able to get ready and pack in an hour. Here's a mess, which is good. Actually turned out like cute mess. Jacket is from H&M. This is a shirt from college. Necklace is from Shein. It's actually one of those layered necklaces. Don't mind, don't mind the baby clothes. Pour up the shots. Let's be real fun.
This is my life right here. It's probably gonna be empty by the time
I'm gonna have to have the champagne.
Yay! Cheers, baby Houston mama. Oh, you came a long way from that. Not having that key.
Yeah, you almost pulled into the wrong house.
Oh. Yes, I thought Mustang. Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay. It's quite dark. All right, come on, one of my favorite cousins. And the other one. We're here. We've made it to the parking garage.
I'm the favorite cousin.
You are not. Stop before you get me in trouble with the rest of them at the family reunion. You don't. You're not getting beat up. Only you. All right, we're gonna go tour el club. Tour the club during the day because we're not gonna remember it tonight or tomorrow night. What door do we go in? Is that it? Is that it?
Something like that.
All right, we'll see you inside. You're available. Aww. Precious. Greetings. I mean, I like it in that way. I mean, if somebody was actually like listening to what we had to say, they probably just hung up because we're kind of boring. Daytime. Aftermath of a fight party. It's a lot. We didn't even get upstairs. Wave. Happy New Year.
Timmy and GP was singing right in the club. A bottle full of love. He likes. He's pretty cool to the other side. I think you're doing this first. Pepper, please.
Are you happy that you got your Waffle House?
My Waffle House?
Oh gosh. What'd you get? What'd you get?
Boom, look.
All-Star?
Look.
Grits? You can't get those over yonder. What? What? Let's go work out. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's work out.
Ask Claire if he had a DVD player.
We need
Why you gotta do it for my laptop?
DVD player. Hold please. What are you doing? Okay, so we're supposed to be working out with her DVD. Not her personal DVD, but we're gonna work out on vacation. New Year's.
You gotta start
Eve.
2020 right.
But it's nowhere near 2020 yet because it hasn't even hit noon. So anyway, we are going to work out, and
I told her she didn't have to.
I mean, I'm all down for not doing it, but if I don't do it, then she's gonna be like, oh, well, then I don't have to do it.
That's not true.
By the way, if you skip through the first part, this is one of my favorite cousins.
Only one.
No.
One of.
No.
Okay,
No.
she's trying to spare feelings.
I am, because somebody will come for me. Anyway, we are gonna record us working out so I can send it to her. Yes, we are. Later.
No, buddy. No.
In 2020,
No, please.
I can send it to her and be like, remember when we worked out to get 2020 right? And then she'll thank me again 366 days from now. Because in case she forgot, it's a leap year.
Oh, that's right.
Exactly.
It
See?
is.
Can't take anyone anywhere. All right, here we go. Houston, we have options.
Go.
1, 2, or 3 for New Year's.
See?
Oh, that one. Good job. Good job. This is it.
Good job. Yay. Yay.
So we are wearing from
Yay.
Hot Miami Styles.
Yay.
All right. My cousin and her hair scarf. Don't even. Got quite the stash too. Yes, what were you about to say?
I wasn't gonna say anything.
Oh.
I'm not allowed to say it out loud because they'll come for you.
Yes, they will. So we have a stash.
No, this is
Oh, there's more.
a
There's
bar
more.
above,
And below.
top shelf, below shelf, and mid shelf.
Get it all. Pick your poison, because that's exactly what this is.
It's a whole lot.
But it's a good poison. Good poison.
It's a whole lot.
Makes for good entertainment. All right. Grab your cup. If you're in Atlanta ever, go to Oak. Tell them I sent you. You don't get anything from it, but tell them that I sent you. All right, let's make these.
Say something, Natasha.
We have a whole bottle. New Year's. It's so cute. Cheers.
Great to the P family.
Happy New Year. Well, it's not there yet, but we gotta get started.
It's gonna take her 3 hours to get dressed. 3 hours to do her makeup.
Look, beauty takes time.
160 minutes.
Are you sure that math is right?
120 minutes.
Okay. Okay, thanks.
Just education is free, doesn't mean it's quality.
Okay, it is time to get ready for New Year's Eve parties. Party? I don't know if we're going to one, multiple. We'll find out. Anyway, so I'm going to take a shower, get ready. Might show some get ready with me, but until then, here we go. Okay. We are headed to the West Side Cultural Center. I put on my hot Miami style dress, more than expected, and then typical bun with my little bangs. So we shall see how it is when we get there. How much longer do we have?
It's 11:18.
It's 11:18.
I've been demoted to just a cousin.
It's not a demotion if you've been there.
I'm just now a cousin.
No, you're not.
I think Natasha's got status above me.
She's being so dramatic. Oh my god. That's what happens when you don't get out. Anyway, we'll see you guys there.
Young, broken, independent, not broken, not quitting, I'ma get it. Even though I still struggle, I'm sufficient. Like what's up, aiming how it's business. Believe me, it's finna happen. They call him
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Coming for you. 6'4" Balenciaga all black. Stretch Bugatti and it's sitting on me. Oh, something like that. Got me running like track. Freak like me, got me bending my back. Got that gas, and he holding it fast, and he's looking at that ass. Think I let him grab it. I'm a pretty young savage, out here causing havoc. He got that gas, Betty got that gas, Betty got that. Got me feeling like I wanna wife you, cause I kinda like. Betty got that. Got me feeling like I wanna wife you, cause I kinda like you. Got my number so we know where I'm at. 100 on bands cause I'm sitting on fat like a mouse to my trap. I got the cheese like that, dripping with the sauce, you can eat it like that. Gas, and he holding it fast, and he's looking at that ass. Think I let him grab it. I'm a pretty young savage.
detours. We call it passion. How many no's you receive? I just stopped counting. So why you still doing this shit? I'm a cash in the fountain. See this dream dance between my ear canal. Lives inside my heart like a future child. Possess the wisdom in between my smile. The world gotta see me, it may take a while. That's okay, it's prepared for. Played a lot of shows I had to pay for. Define the crowd, me, myself, and I, and the DJ and my homeboys. Good things take some time, I'm like, ooh. Ooh, yeah. Patience is a virtue when I'm moving. Looking at my life, it's a movie. Lot of ups and downs, I'm sticking to it. I got the sauce, I got the drip. I make the play, I get the assist. Impossible, it exists. The slow grind made a better trip. You can't tell me shit, you can't
Just left brunch. We are about to, what are we doing? Take a nap. Because it's only 8 o'clock and apparently we're still going to go out. So we'll see how that goes. See you in a little bit. It's 1:57:37. And we're heading out. Where are we going?
Okay. Let's ride.
Let's go.
I'm a pretty Zen bitch, hit him with the bell. Sitting by the pool, meditating in Chanel. Mama always said that my word is like a spell. When I see a hater, bitch, I always wish him well. Always wish him well, yeah, always wish him well. Blessings coming back like they going on sale. How you gon' win if you only give him hell? Wish him well, wish him well, wish him well. I got purple kush, I got a purple aura. Got a custom fragrance like I own Sephora. I like to swing my hips under a pink fedora. And you see me, I'm the brush queen of cut. Switching lanes on the beat, give 'em ice, give 'em heat. And I drip so hard, got them drowning in my seas. Tell 'em yes, I'm a stun. These haters wanna judge, but life's too short to get along with everyone. I just take it easy, no beefing in my bikini. All these bitches want the fire, but they don't got the khaleesi. The soul seeking, levels that I'm reaching. Never preaching, it's just how I see things. I'm a pretty zen bitch, hit 'em with the bell. Sitting by the pool, meditating in Chanel. Mama always said that my word is like a spell. When I see a hater, bitch, I always wish him well. Always wish him well, yeah, always wish him well. Lessons.
Change of plans. Where are we going?
After I was tired.
How are you tired and you're the one that suggested this?
48 hours of fury.
Every time.
Every time.
Go check his places out.
Hey, hey, that T-Wine girl. Don't need to read your mind, I can see the signs, girl. Hey, hey, if love is blind, girl. Body like Braille, let me read between the lines, girl. Down like loose change, let's try new things. Way you shake your body, give me mood swings. Running through my mind, she go Usain. Got me thinking about giving her my last name.
The way you're moving, oh, my baby, they drive me crazy, oh, so crazy, oh, about you, my baby, oh, that's how I really feel. Be like, say, I wanna just rock your body, rock your body, rock your body, like, say.
Okay, so we made it to the club, partied. Clearly, you saw that. It was lit. We have 2 hours to take a nap, and then I have to head to the airport. It should be fun, as always. Trying to see if I can make it to the airport in time, but you'll know whether or not I make it in the next clip. It is 6:37. And I haven't slept. So exciting. But I'm about to clearly take a shower, get ready, and order a Lyft so we can head to the airport. It's been quite the holiday journey, but it's not over yet.
You're the break after the bend. How much farther will we fall? And I'll wait for us to land. Still suspended.
I fell asleep on the plane because by the time I got ready this morning, after coming back, I have no clue how I was wide awake because I haven't eaten, I didn't have coffee, so. But anyway, last thing, I'm back home now. I need to get ready to go to bed because I work tonight. Joy. And the only other thing that I have left to say is like this video, subscribe if you want to see more vlogs, especially my travel vlogs because they're usually fun times. You can catch me on Instagram and you can check me on Facebook and on Hive. So I will see you guys next time.
It is still dark when I looked over my plans. This wasn't there yet. Here we are. You're the break after the bend.